only one missing data. I want to fill out this using MATLAB, right? So how I can do this? Let me again do this section break. So for that, I'll use this task. Okay, so if you don't want to write in a code there, so what you can do, if you click on this task icon here, so MATLAB will give you different, templates, the inbuilt template that you can use this. For example, if you want to, use this clean missing data, or if you want to find, the outliers there, or any number of change points there, some local extrema, or if you want to, remove some trends there, or there are some, data that you want to smooth there, then you can use this template. If you want to, the work on the different tables and the timetables, that you can, the already created or inbuilt templates are there, so you can use this. Okay, further also there for predictive maintenance, or there signal processing, communication, so different application or toolboxes are there, so you can use these templates in your in your work. Now I want to find out the, I need to find out the, the missing data. Okay, so for that I'm using this clean missing data. So let me maximize it here. Just a second. So it will open me a template that I can use this clean missing data. So it says that you can find and you can fill or remove missing data. You can using this clean missing data. Okay. First, it says that you give some, the input data. For that, what I can do, I'll use this, the total power here. Okay. And it says that by default, it is default because it is on the x-axis. Okay. And specify some fill missing data. What I can do, I can remove the missing data. See here, remove the missing data also. You can remove the missing data also. So how I need to apply this method. I need if you want to fill the missing data, or if you want to remove the missing data, or you don't want to any different operations, what I can do, you can only select this none option. Okay, so my goal is here to fill the missing data. So for that, what I can do, I'll use this fill missing method. Okay, further also that you can apply different algorithms here, that how the your fill missing data, what that, like nearest value, or linear interpolations, or spline interpolations, the moving median. Okay, different algorithm that you can apply to fill your missing data. Okay, for example, I'm applying this nearest value, that fill missing data should be comes with the nearest value. Okay, so this will be my nearest value. Okay, now this is the display result, clean data and fill the missing data, fill the missing data. Okay, and I'm getting this new name. For example, this field usage, because I filled the missing data there. So for that, what I can do, MATLAB will create for me this field usage variables there first. Now if I want to see the any code there, so if you go here, so this will be our code here. Okay, you can use it further. Now as you can see that this is our data that we fill the missing data. Okay, as you can see, so this is our goal, to fill the missing data, and we can see here. Okay, again that I want to find out the is there any missing data available there. Again, what I can do, I'll again use first, let me section break. Okay, yeah, what I can do, again applying this the outlier function on this field usage variable. Okay, so that we used it. Okay, is outlier. Okay, is outlier function on this field usage variables. Okay, so this variable that I want to use it to find out the is there any outlier available into this data. So to do that I can do this, like is outlier functions. Again, I'm applying this on the field usage. Okay, so this field usage, and I want to see the sum total number of is there any the outlier is there. So I'm applying on this sum function. Okay, sum functions, and I'm running this. It will give me is there any the outlier is there or not. So as you can see that there is no any outlier, or there is no any missing data is there into this form. so that we can do some mathematical operation, or we can create some the vectors, or the variables there, using some different mathematical function into MATLAB. So this is also an inbuilt function into MATLAB. This also is outliers to find out the some outlier data, right? So this way that you can you can fill your missing data, or you can find out the outliers into that thing. Okay.